Uh, so, if you're wondering on how to import maps in Dmod, you just go to wait, download any map you want, and you search for any map you want, like um, wait,
Here's the answer. Nivea Super 10 Body Serum with Niacin Proactive. Penetrates 10 skin layers to reduce stubborn dark spots on white skin in 5 days.
you just search any map you want.
It has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. That's elite.ph.
Hey guys, I'm here with Kate and
Click the download button.
Use Head and Shoulders every day. Prevent dandruff and toothache from coming back. And stay up to 100% dandruff free
This way.
every day. Head and Shoulders. Ang batang ako.
Then when it's done, go to Archive and go to downloads and open the map that you downloaded. Who is this? Click and copy. You have to make a map folder for older to work, and paste.
I can be the mom that gives them the best care of others. Or I can be the mom that protects them from harmful germs. And that
Click custom maps and you're done. There.
Saan po kayo nakatutok sa inyong mga TV? Sagot na namin ang live event so special announcement ninyo.
So that's how you import BSP maps in Dmod.